What's going on, YouTube? We're repoing this 2005 Ford Mustang. Got a tow truck tonight, my new tow truck. So drop it down now. Drop it down. Got a little too much wear, wound it out. Lower the bed down. Lower it down the other way. Lift the bed up. You ain't got it on that tie rod, do you? That's not gonna work because that ass in. You don't have to drag it on there all the way yet. Love my job, y'all. Love my job. Alright, you got it on there. You can door knock it now. Alright, leave it. No, don't do that. This case got something in it. DJ, door knock it. damn window busted out. Doorbell don't work. Sweet, huh?
I know from Ed. Yeah. Come in right quick. Let me make sure. Fuck. I don't think I'm trying to make sure I don't got nothing in the car like I need.
Well, if you give us the key, look in the car, get anything you need out.
All right, hold on.
She's gonna go. See, hard to deal with.
That would have been a good Repo. Everybody would love that one.
Still got Christmas stuff up.
Y'all gonna have to wait for 1 second.
Alright, you good. Leaving us out in the cold. Cold out here. What?
Let you wait for somebody to pull up.
It doesn't matter. It's on the truck.
It ain't coming off the truck either.
You are planning on getting it back, ain't you?
Hell yeah.
It's a Mustang. What would you expect?
Yeah, somebody hit me though, you know what I'm saying?
Somebody hit you.
Yeah, and fuck this whole side over here up. I had to pay out my goddamn pocket to get this shit fixed, and it fucked me up a little bit.
Body work.
Huh?
I know guys does body work. Cheap man, that shit is terrible.
What I owe anyway?
I don't know. You just gotta go.
Oh, hell
You mean?
no.
I was gonna take it off. I was gonna take it off for you. You got nails on, so I was gonna take them off for you.
Alright, honey, I'll do this all day. It ain't shit. I didn't know who y'all was. I thought I had to get the goddamn gun. Nah, for real.
Oh shit.
No, baby, it was late. I didn't know what the fuck was going on.
Well, we came once already. We came once, we had a problem with the tow truck.
The who?
The tow truck. We had a problem.
Yeah, we already been here once and we had a problem with the tow truck, so we had to leave.
We surprised you didn't come out because we scraped the driveway and everything.
Damn. Okay, you might have to get it. Fucking Ed.
You know we had to give it back to you.
Yeah.
I know.
You know he moved, right?
Yeah, on East Market.
That's all I want. All right.
All right, baby.
All right.
Thank you. Have a great night.
Holy.
We'll fix it down the road.
No, just keep.
Did we get it? Turn the wheel to the left so it'll pop back down. Have him pull it up just a little bit more.
Hold on. Yep. You can let it down, Kenny. Kenny.
Go ahead and brake.
You can let it down.
Go ahead and brake. You're doing too much, man. We go up the road and unload.
All right, another one bites the dust, y'all. My new truck. out here working it, putting it some time into this new truck. So put a lot of money into it. Ain't the best looking thing, I mean, but it'll do its job. Even though it's a rollback, you can still repo and rollback. People can put me down as much as they want. I got another snatch truck that I'm working on, so having little issues with it, trying to put it together, but we'll get it. Another one bites the dust. On to the next job.